In the heart of America, in a city where hope seemed to flicker like the last star before dawn, there emerged a team of superheroes unlike any other. They were the Defenders of Dawn, a group comprised of 5 extraordinary beings, each with their own unique powers, united by a common goal.
If you're looking to create AI animated movies as professional as Disney does, stick around until the end of this Runway AI tutorial. I'll be revealing some secret tips and tricks that even beginners can apply today to start generating amazing movies. So, let's dive in. We're breaking this down into 5 simple steps. And beyond just showing you how to create professional AI movies, I have something extra special in store. I'll be sharing an exclusive secret on how to request professional prompts that will take your content creation to the next level. And the best part? You can start applying these techniques right away after I reveal it. Step 1. Script creation. In this guide, we're tapping into ChatGPT to craft a unique narrative. Start by setting up a no-cost account at OpenAI.com or log in if you're already a member. Once in, hit it with a prompt like write a short kid story about a superhero team that frees America from terrorists in about 500 words. Watch as ChatGPT whips up your story swiftly. Next, we'll get ChatGPT to write some Midjourney prompts to generate images for this story, asking it write journey prompts to generate images of every sentence in this story. ChatGPT will create prompts for the whole story, one by one. These prompts, tailored for each segment of the story, will be fed into Blue Willow, allowing it to generate story-aligned visual content. These prompts guide Blue Willow in visual crafting that meshes with our narrative. Keep in mind, basic prompts won't cut it for producing top-tier images like the ones you're seeing, which boast a Disney caliber of quality. To uncover how these high-definition, hyper-realistic visuals come to life, make sure to watch the entire video. I'll be spilling the beans on some crafty tips and secret prompts that elevate your image generation game to the next level. Step 2. Voiceover production. Moving on to the next phase, we'll breathe life into your story with an AI-generated voiceover. Consider leveraging a platform like ElevenLabs, which boasts an array of AI voice options. First, create a free account on its website. Once logged, go to the left column and click on Speech. Then you select Text-to-Speech. And here in Settings, you can select your preferred voice reproduction model. I recommend using 11 Multilingual 2. And then you can select here the best narrator you find, according to your video tone and needs. I'm going to use Paul. It's super important to click on Voice Settings to personalize everything you need in the voice that you selected. This is my configuration, and you can use it if it's useful for you. Once you've dialed in your preferred voice settings, transplant the narrative script you obtained from ChatGPT into the platform. In this case, I have 10,000 characters available in the free mode, but I can only generate 2,500 characters of voice clips, so I will do it in 2 parts. Hit the Generate button, and voila! Your voiceover comes into being, ready for you to download. Finish with the second part, and you're done. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. How to elevate your image creation to professional standards instantly. The secret lies within a hidden gem for Plus users in ChatGPT, known as Realistic Photos for Midjourney. This feature, found under Explore GPTs, unlocks a whole new realm of visual storytelling for you at no extra cost. Here's a quick guide. Once you have access, simply prompt it with "Enhance this prompt for a more professional image" or any specific request you have. In this case, I'm pasting one prompt from those that ChatGPT already gave me before in the last step. The more detailed your prompt, the more astonishing the visuals. This isn't just about generating images. It's about crafting visuals that capture your narrative's essence in the most impactful way possible. As a bonus I can give you later on, I will reveal the best tool to make automatic subtitles just like the ones you are seeing on screen right now. This is optional if you want to add them, so watch out at the end of this video because that's where you'll find out. Step 3. Creating the visuals. For this step, you'll need to produce cartoon visuals that align with your story. Options like Blue Willow or Leonardo AI are your go-to for crafting these images. Blue Willow stands out as a complementary AR generator that delivers eye-catching, eye-driven visuals, and Leonardo AI, it's very effective at the time to generate original content, and it doesn't have copyright limitations. Next up, let's prepare your prompt. We'll swing back to ChatGPT to grab a specific prompt, then transplant it straight into Blue Willow's interface. If you have ChatGPT Plus and you could use the GPT realistic photos for Midjourney, paste those prompts here like how I'm doing it. But before generating, whether you are a Plus user or a free one, you must add to your request some covered keywords like hyper-realistic 8K Ultra HD, Pixar style, Disney style, Cinema 4D, and AR3 2.2. These instructions gear the AI towards generating crisp, high-quality images tailored to your narrative. Proceed to download these visuals for your video compilation. I'll walk you through generating each image by applying their respective prompts one after another, showcasing a few examples I've produced. Similarly, you'll bring to life all required imagery in Blue Willow. If you find this content useful and see the potential to learn more about new technologies and their potential for users like you and me, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Step 4. Making the video scenes. For this crucial step, we'll be turning to the AI platform Runway ML. Here's where the magic happens. Start by signing up for a free account, then navigate to the Image to Video feature Getting Here by heading directly to Generate Videos on the left column. Then click on Start Generating. Now upload the crafted images you've previously generated. Here, you could just generate the video as is, without any context, but you could also describe your scene to give better instructions on how you want your result to runway. For example, here I'm writing about how this scene is happening. Before I start generating, let me talk to you briefly about these settings. Style, to select a filter as if it was TikTok. Then we have camera, to select the angle that we want for a specific scene. We also have right here the aspect ratio for our generation. And finally, we have motion brush. That help us to edit the video created. So you must click on generate. Give it a moment and the tool takes over, stitching your images into a flowing animated sequence. Repeat this operation for each image, set to craft a series of animated segments. This technique is your best bet for achieving top-notch video quality. Step 5. Video editing and final touches. We've reached the ultimate phase where your animated video undergoes a transformation. For editing, CapCut is a great choice. It's free and boasts a user-friendly interface. Begin by importing your animated clips one after the other. Arrange them on the timeline, ensuring they're in the correct order. With your footage lined up, it's time to layer in the voiceover. Feel free to enhance the ambience with any background music of your choice, tweaking as necessary for a seamless fit. Next, introduce transitions between clips to craft a more polished and professional look. Transitions serve as the cohesive element that seamlessly connects each piece of your narrative, playing a critical role in the video's overall rhythm and pace. Dive into the wide array of transitions available to find those that perfectly align with the mood and style of your content. Whether subtle or bold, the right transitions can significantly boost storytelling and viewer engagement. Zoom transitions are particularly effective for capturing attention, offering a dynamic shift in focus between scenes. They add a layer of depth and drama, elevating the visual experience. Here, I'm applying an explosion effect across the entire video for a touch of cinematic magic. This choice brings a dynamic flair, though you're free to select any effect that complements your video's theme and tone. Witness the transformation as the explosion effect breathes life and excitement into your animation, making it stand out. Choose the effects that best enhance your visual storytelling, turning each scene into a captivating experience. As promised, so now it's time to reveal my secret to make subtitles like these automatically and without spending more than 2 minutes of my time, letting the tool do all the work. And that tool is Captions AI. Search for it on Google with this link shown on the screen. Register, and just like that, you can start uploading your videos and let the AI do all the work to extract the subtitles and put them at the right times. You can edit your preferences and settings. Wrapping up, we've just unlocked the secrets to crafting animated movies that can captivate any audience, taking a deep dive from script to screen with tools like ChatGPT and Runway AI, demystifying the process and making it accessible even for beginners. For more content like this, I suggest you watch my last video called Learn to Create AI Images with Perfect Text using this generative AI. See you there.
In the heart of America, in a city where hope seemed to flicker like the last star before dawn, there emerged a team of superheroes unlike any other. They were the Defenders of Dawn, a group comprised of 5 extraordinary beings, each with their own unique power to free their beloved country from the clutches of darkness. First, there was Captain Courage, a soldier with the heart of a lion and the strength of 100 men. Next was Lady Liberty, a beacon of hope whose magical torch could illuminate the darkest of places and reveal the truth hidden within. Then there was Eagle Eye, a sharpshooter with vision so keen nothing could escape his sight. Swift Wind, the fastest woman on Earth,